Hello friend, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to place your first order on Pinduoduo step-by-step tutorial. But before we dive deep into the tutorial, as you guys know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm a procurement agent, importer and importation coach. If you want to contact me for importation business, you can contact me on WhatsApp. Via the number in the description of this video. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see how you can quickly place your order on Pinduoduo step-by-step tutorial. So let's begin. The first step to take is to click on here to visit your profile. So when you get to your profile, the next thing you need to do is to click on here to check on the product you have added to your cart so far. Then it's going to open up this page, and these products right here are the products I'm going to make purchase right away. So what you need to do is to click on here to select the product. Then you have to scroll down, click on here to select the second one, select the third one. So I'm going to select all these products right here, and I make a purchase straight up. Select this one, boom. So I'm paying the sum of 244.6 RMB to purchase all these products. So for me to make a payment, I have to click on here. Then it takes you to a product page preview. You can scroll down and see all the products you have added to cart and see if there is some of the product you would like to remove from the cart before you can eventually make a purchase. So finally, you have to make sure that your Alipay is active right here. Then you have to click on here to proceed to payment. Then you can see the amount I'm paying at the top right here. I'm paying 244.60 RMB. Then the next thing to do is to make sure I click on confirm. Then at this point here, I have to authorize the payment with my payment password. I have to click on here to enter my payment password. Then I have to enter payment password right here. Boom. So once you enter your payment password, Alipay is going to connect and they are going to deduct the money. So you can see the payment has been done successful right here. So what you need to do now, after your payment has been done successful, then you have to come down below here and click on done. Immediately you click on done, it takes you back to where you had the product to cart. Then by the time you go back to your profile and you refresh your profile, you are going to see all the products you just make purchase for. So right here, you can see this product here. We have some that has been on our waiting list for shipment, whereby we have some that is waiting for seller to push out the product to our shipping company in China. So this is how you can quickly make a purchase or how you can quickly place order on Pinduoduo step-by-step tutorial. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big like. And also, if you want to contact me for importation business, you can contact me on WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more importation tutorial like this. If you want to check on more tutorial about importation from China, US, and some other country importation, feel free to check on my channel for more tutorial. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.